mga nasasangkot sa flood control projects sa mga anong i-recommend natin?
We will wait for the result of the investigation. For the meantime, we are hoping that it will end well or for betterment our people.
Pero for Manila,
Yun
sir,
ang, yeah, the entire, kasi ngayon, the entire country is like chaotic with regard to this issue. Eh, kami sa Maynila talagang apektado. Kasi, I hope may mauwian itong ginagawa nila. Sa kami, pagka may nakita na kami ebidensya laban sa mga tiwali, eh papailan kagad namin ang kaso. Tulad ng ginawa namin sa pagkukulang ng mga contractors. And i-update namin kayo in a matter of few hours, in less than 72 hours, on what is our next move. But setting aside all these things, ang walang pumapansin na dapat din bigyan ng atensyon dahil sa kapabayaan sa flood control, maraming buhay ang nasawi. Kasi in the case of City of Manila, baka lang walang pumapansin, and I'm calling the attention of our respected leaders that rise on infection to leptospirosis is really beyond sa kapasidad. Sa amin, sample lang. This is some numbers. At 260 infected, 70 died. So people are dying because of flooding. More than the property damage. A threat to life. So I think, I hope they're going to do it fast and we'll have a result. Then we move forward kagad. We move on kagad. What can we do together to develop real functioning pumping station and flood control project? Hopefully, I am always optimistic. Yes, may mga problema sila and so on and so be it. Panagutin natin yung lahat. Pero ano yung gagawin natin?
kaya pa po ba yung supply, sir, ng cycling?
Marami pa.
Kaya pa po.
Oo. Para sa prophylaxis. Yes. Doon man lamang maitsa namin. But we are ready. Kaya lang siyempre, at the end of the day, pag nagulat ka sa numero, maawa ka sa tao, di ba? I mean, leptos, saan mo makukuha yun? Sa bahala. So, I think that I'm also calling the attention of the Senate to include the health sector, what we can do. Although hindi naman sila involved sa construction, pero ano bang masamang epekto nito sa buhay ng tao? Kasi as far as Manila, marami sa aming mga taga-Maynila ang nasawi dahil sa infection.
Sir, last question.
Their last question po. Aside from the regular declogging operations and flushing operations sa Manila, ano po ba yung ginagawa ninyo sa city government?
That's the best thing that we can
To
do to
address the flood.
really unclog what's ever underneath within our means and resources. And we will not stop since July 1 hanggang ngayon. As you can see in my Facebook, lahat halos ng mga... And I would like to take this opportunity to thank 896 barangays for doing that every Saturday of declogging our drainage system.
Sir, kumusta ang relasyon natin sa ilang mga offices?
Ay, welcome sila lahat sa Maynila. God is... ang Diyos mapagpatawad. Sino ako?
Kapag ang mga offices na, sir,
It doesn't matter whoever they are. Di ba? Kung yun ang tingin nila. Basta ako, they can... and I can work with anybody as long as it is beneficial sa taong bayan. O, yung fried chicken lang yan. O, yung sinaktan nila yung damdamin ko noong mga nakaraang panahon. Yung akusasyon nila sa akin noong mga nakaraang panahon. Ipinagtibay na ng tao na hindi totoo dahil sa resulta ng desisyon ng taong bayan through democracy. And I move on with my life. At kung gusto nila mag-move on, let's come together and move on and deliver what we promise to our people. Dito ang importante yung tao. Yung damdamin ko, okay lang yun. Maghihilom din naman na sugat eh, one way or another. Pero yung opportunity to develop the city sa kapakinabangan ng tao, yun is my utmost concern.
Thank you.